Hey there! So, imagine you're faced with a problem where you've received the Chocolatey packages.config file with a list of applications to install, but the version numbers are outdated. You want to install the latest versions of all the tools, but you're unsure how to go about it. Quite the conundrum, right? Now, the solution to this problem is pretty straightforward. The key lies in removing the version parameter from all packages in the packages.config file. To do this, you can use a text editor like Notepad++ and apply a regex pattern to strip out the version numbers. Once you've done that, you'll be able to install the latest versions of the packages without any hassle. Solution aside, just to recap, remember to always double-check the contents of your packages.config file to ensure you're installing the most up-to-date versions of the applications. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to update the version numbers and streamline your Chocolatey installations. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful in tackling any version-related woes you may encounter with Chocolatey. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy updating!